In this video, we will be teaching you how to count the number of times a specific character appears in a string. So it's super simple and another minute. So we have just simply written this code right here. You can just simply copy or modify your code by yourself. So what we have done is we have simply started by taking a string input from the user using Java util scanner and scanning the next line. Now, next we loop through the string using a for each loop. So you can see for each loop right here. After we have defined every single data type, we have simply used the for each loop on a character array. Every time we find a character that matches the one we are counting, we increase the counter variable. Once the loop finishes, we print the total count. This exercise is excellent for learning string traversal arrays and loop logic in Java. Counting characters is a common task in programming, whether you're analyzing text or processing input. Making this a practical skill for beginners and beyond is super important. So that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.